So, oh, this is another turret.
Or the side ones. Or wooden side ones. Yeah, the other side. I'm guessing this one doesn't work either.
Hey. What does this do?
Guessing we could observe
I didn't see what the chair was called when I went to sit in it.
But it just.
It didn't, uh-oh, I'm glitching. Oh, no, 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 no. No. Quick sit. I'm dying. Yeah.
Yeah, I had a feeling it was breaking because the chair didn't turn.
No, there's something went wrong. And I wake up back at the R&R station. I hope. Please don't put me back on Olisar. Okay, no. Good. So now I'm going to have to claim my... So, after I bugged out on the carrack, it looks like now I can't actually bring the carrack back. Every time I try to claim it, I am currently at R&R her 3 L3, but now when I try to claim it, it tells me a problem has occurred.
Unless magically it works this time. Because it always...
Your ship has been delivered to the following landing pad.
They go to report a bug and then it just works.
And so there you go.